Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a question from class 11 history chapter 8, that is confrontation of cultures. So the question is, give reasons for Spain and Portugal being the first in the 15th century to venture across Atlantic. There are several reasons for Spain and Portugal to become the first nations in the 15th century to venture across Atlantic. Some of these factors have been enlisted below. So let us first know what is the meaning of venture. Venture means to start something new, possibly a dangerous thing, when we don't know about the consequences, when we don't know what next is going to happen, and we start something new. So some of the factors um, have been enlisted below. So let's see what are these factors. Political factors. In 1453, the Orthodox Christian Constantinople fell before the Ottoman Turks. The control of the trading routes to the east was now controlled by the Turks, who charged heavy duties from the Italians for the trade. There was thus the urge to new trade routes to the east. Both Spain and Portugal were lucky to have strong rulers and innovative sailors who took up this task. Innovators such as Prince Henry of Portugal established training schools for the navigators and thus encouraging large-scale seaborne explorations. Spain, on the other hand, was brimming with confidence after being victorious in several contemporary military conquests by Cortes and Pizarro. These victories gave a boost to their ambitious spirits and a further kick to venture new sea routes to new colonies. So, the first is the political factors. From this we get to know that the Orthodox Christian Constantinople, they fell before the Ottoman Turks, and the control of the trading routes to the east was now which was controlled by the Turks, it was controlled by the Christian Orthodox, was now controlled by the Turks, and they charged heavy sea routes. So due to this, the Portuguese, they were forced to look for new sea routes so that they can start their trading again. Second, religious motives. The missionaries' zeal to convert more people to Christians was a primary reason to look for new lands. So, the second reason is the religious motives. Here, people were converted into Christianity and there was forceful conversion. So, to escape this forceful conversion, people started seeking for new routes to find new lands for the settlement. Economic factors. The zeal to convert people to Christianity soon encouraged the political and economic interest of the Europeans. The Crusades against the Turks, for instance, was based on religious motives, but it in turn also increased the demand of Asian goods in Europe, thus encouraging trading between the two lands. For the Portuguese, West Africa was an unexplored land, rich in spices and gold. Thus, their colonial adventure began with the attack on this rich land of resources in 1450. Thank you. For such content, please subscribe to Intellify.